Spoonful.
Last spoonful of the cereal. Now we're going to move on to the carrots, and very quickly.
Okay, I just pressed this red
It's
button.
already recording.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Tape the finished bowl.
There's the finished bowl. All gone.
All gone.
And now, messy sweet potato. Oh, they're carrots.
Carrots.
Okay.
She loves sweet potatoes too. This is going to be... Ready? It's different taste. Ready? Mmm, yummy. Is that yummy? Yum. Mmm.
She's not camera shy.
Not this time, sometimes. I think she doesn't care. She's famished. We haven't fed this little girl in years.
She looks like the Joker now.
She had a bottle 3 hours ago. 6 ounces. What a good girl. You're so big. What a big girl eating like a grown-up. You're eating like a grown-up. Are you going to get full soon? Are you going to get full soon? Because we're almost at the end of the carrot. Okay.
Very serious.
Yes, we only have 3 spoonfuls left.
Oh, that's going to be trouble.
I know. What are we going to do?
Not even begun to eat.
She's such a natural. You're a pro, baby. You are a... Oh, no. Wasted. Okay. One last spoonful. And we're done. Okay. We're all done. Okay. Empty carrot.
Empty carrots. How do you feel about that? That wasn't enough for you? That was enough to feed a normal-sized person, much less a baby. I'd be full if I ate that.